里啊！我操！我操！哇
Still shaking. The adrenaline is.
Automotive fans love a good spectacle, and few stunts have achieved the legendary status of Land Rover's viral triumph, in which a Range Rover Sport powered its way up the 999 steep of rain-slick steps to Heaven's Gate on Tianmen Mountain, a climb that looked surprisingly effortless thanks to the SUV's formidable engineering. They're hoping to capture the similar glory. Chinese automaker Chery attempted to send its Fulwin X3L range extender EV up the same daunting staircase, but the effort ended in an embarrassing and very public failure. According to the company, insufficient risk assessment and procedural oversights led to a critical mishap. The safety rope detached and became tangled in the X3L's front right wheel, abruptly cutting drive power and causing the vehicle to slide backward into a guardrail, destroying a section of fencing. Footage of the incident even shows the driver trying to resume the climb, but the rope, still knotted around the wheel, made progress impossible. Chery later expressed deep regret for the damage to the Tianmen Mountain site and promised to fully repair the area and handle all compensation. The irony is that the Fulwin X3L seemed mechanically capable of the feat, arriving with a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, delivering 422 horsepower and 372 lab, ft of torque, 8.9 inches of ground clearance, and approach and departure angles of 22 and 30 degrees, all wrapped in styling reminiscent of a Land Rover Defender. Priced between $16,500 and $22,000 in China, the SUV was designed to generate buzz, but instead of the viral victory Chery envisioned, it became an example of how one poorly executed stunt can turn into a worldwide punchline.